What's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's Abandoned Maryland, and this time we actually have Abandoned Maryland. We are up in central Pennsylvania at the train trolley graveyard, and it's beautiful. It is extremely decayed. Most of the trains are in very bad condition now. But the weather and age has not done them well. But it's still an awesome place. I didn't bring my stickers. I wanted to bring my Abandoned Maryland stickers. Whoa. It's definitely beautiful, even though it's all decayed and rotted. Actually, I couldn't find the place, and I actually stopped a young dude that was walking up the street and asked him for how to get here, and he gave me directions. And as we were walking through the woods, he popped up. He goes, "Look, it's far. Let me show you how to get there." So I was like, "Cool." So he's actually here with us. So special thank you to Brandon. I do appreciate your helping us out and showing us the way. So I get a. If he's got any social media, I'll link him in the description. Ooh. Let's see if we can get down here a little bit. Out. The train tracks are pretty cool. There's 3 sets of tracks, 3 rows of trolleys, or whatever you'd like to call them. And this is gonna be like the first stop on my Pennsylvania trip. Had to do this in fall because, as you can tell, it's just so much better looking in fall. But from here, we are going to hit the abandoned tunnels on the Pennsylvania Turnpike. So that ought to be a good video. I was dumb and forgot to bring my flashlight. But these are all basically the same. They're extremely rotted out. But that, you know, that adds to the beauty of it. But it does not add to the safety of it. That's why I always bring it back up when I go to places like this. That way, if something happens, I fall and get hurt, somebody will be here with me to help. It's funny because I was walking down the trail and I just had a trolley, and there's like someone's smoke bomb from their video that they put out. Dead inside, but I still smile. I like that. These trains here, or trolleys, whatever you want to call them, electric trolleys, came from Philadelphia, from the Pennsylvania Transportation Authority. And no, I'm not a historian or nothing. It says it on one of the trains. But look at this one. That is a beauty. That one falling over, and on the back side of it there's a large drop, so we'll not be getting in that one again. There's just rows and rows and rows of them. This cool track. There's the old school Transportation Authority signs. I'm on the wrong side. I got to get on the other side of the track, which I'll do right here. Definitely got to watch the floorboards because they're in bad shape. But like I said, there is definitely beauty in the decay. And this is why stuff like this is why I got into urban exploring. It's just something you don't see often. And like I said, it's definitely beautiful. Do not forget to subscribe. Here's the Mark trains. I like these because I've ridden these. Not in Pennsylvania, in Baltimore. Whoop, here we go. Hold on, guys. Bam. Ain't that cool? Holes in the roof. Trying to go slow for you so you guys can get a better visual of everything. A lot of times when I make my videos, I end up going through the buildings too quickly because I'm nervous, worried about getting busted. And you know, people are like, well, why don't you show your face? Well, that's the whole thing about being nervous about being busted, because you know, most of the time, you know, I am trespassing. I'm going to admit it. You know, anyone who says they're not, they're full of shit. So I don't show my face. And plus, if I did show my face, like the Paul brothers, they would lose all their freaking fangirls. They would all come flocking to me. And then James Charles would be sliding up into my DMs and such. And I don't want that. That's just a joke, people. There we go, look at that. There's more, but those other end, the ones down the other end are a little harder to get to. And it's by the building. Or the people who own these. Or the company that owns them. But look at that. That is beautiful. Well, guys, in a second, I'm probably going to end this video. Once you get a good look at what's going on down here. If I can get back down without hurting myself. If not, at least you'll get to see it. There we go. Well, if you like this video and you want to see more of this type of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, like it, all that wonderful stuff, and there will be more coming. All right, guys, bye.